Let's look how to export a response from Google Gemini to PDF format. So if you try to do it through the UI itself, there's no specific instruction to do so because it can't export directly to PDF. And likewise, if you ask it, say, to export to Microsoft Word, it can't do it. But there is a roundabout way to do it, which I'll show you in 2 seconds. So when you're working with Google Gemini, you can get different responses back from it. And you can, from here, you have different options, of course. But what I want to do is show you how to move it, first of all, to Google Docs. And once you get into Google Docs, then you can actually export it to PDF. Now, again, if you ask it directly to export it to Google Docs, it can't do it. But what it's doing is it's interpreting what you were saying as if it could actually do file export to Google Docs from Gemini itself, which it can't do. However, what it does have is a share and export option, and you can export it to Google Docs from here. So it's the word export is tripping it up. I said save it to Google Docs, which it can't do, but it can export it to Google Docs. And the reason I'm saying this is that it's often the small things like this will trip up the LLMs. So here, for example, you can export it to the Microsoft Word, and also from the same drop-down menu, you can export it to PDF to you as well, and other formats like, say, EPUB readers. So you can have it on a Kindle if you wanted to do that. So again, just to recap, you can export your responses from Google Gemini to Google Docs, PDF, and Microsoft Word by using the share and export option in the top right of the screen. I'll show you some other ways to export material to you as well in following tutorials, particularly to do with Excel if you use Excel. So just search on the YouTube channel and you'll find those tutorials as well. That's it for now. Talk to you later.